Welcome to Concept Garage Equipment, where we don't just sell equipment for garages, we also supply and fit mobile tyre vans. Let me show you around. We have our standard package to get you on the road and earning profit straight away. And this is what your van could look like. Call us now or speak to one of our specialists who will be happy to help.